Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you how to become a graphic designer in 1 minute, let's say in 5 minutes. So how to become a graphic designer in 5 minutes without any prior knowledge of graphic design or prior experience. So I'll be showing you with a website called Postermywall. So before I say she's already shown. Postermywall is the website that helps you make graphics and video design easy by just using templates. You can really say easy marketing for busy people. So let's move. So when you create Postermywall, when you come to Postermywall, you can see several templates for businesses. There are thousands of templates or even millions, I don't know, but you can just search what you want and then create it and download. So you can start with the free premium, so you don't really, with the free plan, you don't really need to pay any money. So let's quickly go and start with login. Okay, we should just sign up for free. So I'm going to sign in with Google and with Joshua Global, and you're just going to allow some permissions, and we don't need promotion. So now we choose free plan, continue with free plan. You see over 1 million designs. So today we'll be doing a job for Aso Automotive, and so that's our first job for today. So let's do something award recognition. So I want to do something like a job for team Aso Automotive first team member. Let's look at awards recognition. Well, this is what we are looking for. Best employee of the month. So I love this employee of the month. So this makes sense. You can see employee of the month. So which are we going to take? So I want this. We are using for as automotive employee of the month. This makes sense, but it's a video, and videos we don't have free ton of videos, so we needed a photo. So there are several. You can see there are several templates, hundreds of templates you can use for. So let's go with these. I like this. How do we change it? Let's look at this if we can use it. So it creates a new tab, and let's remove the video element, which is this. Control. You can either use your backspace button or Control Z. So I think this is the only video element here, right? So if I replace this with a picture, it should work, right? So when I click this, I can replace this, right? There is this barrier. So this website, you can always use your you can always use your phone to also view it. So I'm going to pause this video so that I can get photos of team members I want to use, and we'll continue. So I've gotten some couple of photos, so I will just use them. Let me just select this TV photo. Now, like I said earlier, you definitely don't need just your you can use both your laptop or your phone, right? So we're going to select them one after the other. Alright, we select another one. Okay, sorry. Let's crop this. Let's edit this. Now we change the shape. So we'll just crop by square. Okay, apply. Now what else we do to make it a circle? We have to use what is called max, right? So max, here you are going to find a shape, and then you select the shape you want. So I will select the circle one. So you see it has even mirrored the picture for us. I think we're okay with this max. It works. Then max, and here is it. So now I can now crop again to remove the excess. This is all. I think it's okay. So since we have max, we can now extend it to fit perfectly. So we are not going to stop here. We're going to change this name to his name, Emmanuel 2. What's the name? I'll just use tech team. So now to make the company, so we have to add the company logo. You come here, upload. Click upload. So I'll get some photos from my so now you should have various logo, right? So me, I have for Astro Automotive logo, we have different type. So I would upload 2 different types. We have the transparent, which is the white. I will just reduce this. I will show you something. This is the white, and I will upload the other. So let me upload another one. So let's go to the same place here. This. So depending on the background color, it will determine the logo you'll be using. On a white background, I would love to use this, right? This black, because it's going to show. But on another background, I will use this white. So you have seen the difference. It depends on the background color. So for this, we will use this. Take it towards the edge. And this, I will take this off because we'll not be needing it here. So this is how we have our graphics design. All right. So I'll just put in something. So I think this is better. You have helped us achieve another milestone. So now, if you look, this I can stretch it a little bit so that it maintains the two lines. So now we are done with the whole stuff. So we can now export. Now, because it's not free though to download a photo, you can have high quality photo, but you're going to pay about $3. So we use the free one, which makes sense, right? So, and now it's going to download. So now that we have downloaded, this how it look like. Cool. This is the design of the month. Alright. So I want to so what if we want to exchange this picture of it? We can now upload another photo. So come here. You should know where your photos are, right? Okay, this one. Cancel this. Ctrl Z. So I'll get the right photo again. Upload. So this is the photo I need. So definitely, I think this is all we need. Alright, let's just go with this. But before we do that, let's edit this. To customer relation. So the name, so we are going to put the name, and then you can stretch this out. So let me check this and check this. Oh, so let me Ctrl Z. So this works. We export. So I'm going to do something. I'm going to modify this. How do I change the size if I'm not okay with this size of this object? I'm not okay with the size of the design, right? There are some things I can do, like this.